What's up guys? Last day Uncle Hard Enduro here in Indonesia. The bike is all ready to go. We serviced it, or the guys serviced it from yesterday. Tire looks still good. I only had a little problem with the fan, didn't work, it blew a fuse. But as you can hear, it works now. So yeah, we're ready. It's supposed to rain again, so we'll see if we can actually make it today or if we're gonna have a fun ride again. Anyway, we will have some fun and I can't wait, and yeah, happy to bring you along.
Thank you.
No problem. Yeah. Let's go. Yes, thank you. So see you later, boy.
Okay, see you later. Good luck with you.
Thank you. Yes, yes. Just making our way down to the start of the second race day and last race day. Oh, we're on the wrong side. Yeah, last day, Uncle Hard Enduro here in Indonesia. It's been such a great time, and yeah, I'm really looking forward for the last day. But as you can see, the clouds are already starting to form up, so it's expected rain. We're in the middle of rain season, so it's most likely gonna rain again. So it will be a really hard day. And yeah, are we on the right way? Old man needs a pee. So this is the starting line, and as you can see in the dark, it's fucking dark. Looks like bright sunshine.
That looks worse than yesterday.
It doesn't look so bad from the side though. Go there, and look at it.
Are you serious?
Yeah, honestly, like go there.
You get up that way?
No, I'm not
gonna push up that?
Is it coming down?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's coming down. For what? Cameras.
Yeah, so we're just checking out this huge step they put in the track, apparently. It's fucking, yeah, gnarly. We'll see. Is that Graham and Wade at the top? Yeah, huh? Hey, I'm so scared of the lightning. Did you see the lightning? You know, it was on the other mountain, on top. Norby, rush, we're in a race. Yeah, so Wade and Graham are still up at the top, battling. We're not gonna get up this. fuse, it happened to me yesterday. It's the fuse, it happened to me yesterday. Now it's working, yeah. Sorry. Camera is running? Yeah. Nice. Fucking sick, man!
Hey Kevin, how are you?
Whoa.
Kevin, we don't need 6 people, dude. You're good.
Yeah, so day 2 update.
Call the whole crew in.
I found a group of people just chit-chatting.
You want a meal?
A meal?
Meal.
Oh, you're making delivery?
No. Juan. Hey.
Juan, fucking get us some lunch over here! Yeah, we can get your bikes up more, because that will take some time. Say it again. This is great. You made my hand dirty. What's that? You made my hand dirty. Oh. It's alright. How's that supposed to work? Hey, does any one of you have a rope?
The rope.
Right? Yeah. And then up to the right. Fuck. Not so bad.
Yeah, boy.
Oh. So we made it to the top.
Yeah.
Woo!
Got there.
Just waiting for Starkey now, and then yeah, we're gonna continue. I don't know. We have about 1.5 hours left to finish. Let's see if it's possible. Oh, looks beautiful. Look, fucking beautiful.
Yeah.
When end of the hill, you can bypass because it's so hard, and everyone bypass from the right side.
Okay.
Okay.
You think here? Should we try to get up here? Oh, fuck.
Guys, it's nighttime. We just finished the last day here in South Borneo. Yeah, it was fucking awesome. We had a monsoon rain again, like right after. We had a monsoon rain again after right after the start. So yeah, it was very hard. They put in the same creek as yesterday, where we all skipped the track. But today we teamed up in groups of 4, like Graham and Wade. They got help to get up, and then we all they made it alone, I think. And then we all teamed up and like in groups of 4, and I was in the second group just from like how we came there, and yeah, made it up that thing. It was like good solid 2 hours of work to get up, and yeah, then we just went on, and yeah, we were a bit too slow, I think, and they pulled us out of the race, so we didn't finish again. But yeah, that's how it is, and still had a lot of fun. It was just nice to be spending time with the boys, and now it's time for the after party. We're just cleaning all the stuff. They will fix my bike, I think, like take all my parts off. And yeah, we go to the hotel now and get changed, get showered, and ready for after party. So I'll see if I can get some footage from there, but if not, this is the end of the Indonesia trip for you. I hope you liked the way I was capturing it. Like, it took a lot of time, but I was really happy to share it, because it's not normal for me to like travel around the world, race a dirt bike. So yeah, it was very nice. So if you want to come, for sure, hit the guys up. Next year the race will be again, so you'll be happy to join. It's a lot of fun, and yeah, very different experience from what we have in Europe. And thanks for watching. That was Indonesia, over and out.